back to another YouTube video. This is Genayas. In today's video, we will be making a slime, as you can see in the title. So together, I am here with my sister. So introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Mr. Genayas.
So she is Mr. Genayas. She is a 4th grader from St. Catherine School of Karkar. So yeah, let's begin. So in making slime, guys, here are the ingredients. So first, you will need a glue, whatever glue you have at home. And the next is poster paint, so that you may add some color in your slime if you want it color green. So yes, green, orange, like that. Next is you will need a small basin or whatever basin you have at home. Yeah, like this basin, small, it may be plastic or porcelain, whatever you want to use. And the next one is this spoon, a plastic spoon. You may buy it outside or whatever you have spoon at home, like that. And next is the detergent. You may need this. This is the most important ingredient of all, because without this, your slime won't smell good, no? Also may gamit ani, girl!
Slime.
Para make ang slime. So yeah, you may buy the ingredients the store nearest to you or department store, you know, whatever store you have, like that. Yes. So first, we will need this. So let's open it. Let's start making. Okay, una. So whatever amount you want to have, like, you know, if you want it many, then you may add more like that, or small only. So yeah, like that. Small only I will place in my basin because I don't want many like that. What's next? So the next ingredient is poster paint. So unsa man coloring mo? Yellow. Yellow. Kaya gibasa na niya daan. Di ani ron eh. Dry! Hindi siya ma-open, dry. Kuha man ni dry. Ano din siya? Ano lang ako. So the color it chose is blue, and then hers is pink. Pink red. Pink, uy. Dali niya! So yes, let's begin getting a small amount of poster paint. Ano ni siya? Oh my god! So, if you've already got poster paint in your spoon, then you may start mixing it inside the bowl like that. Punan pa ni siya? Ano ni Rami? So mix until the color is already equally spread out like that. So it will look like this. Like that color. And then her color is pink, like that light pink only. You can see that there. So yeah, let's mix again. So yeah, let's just mix. Yeah, okay, so dali siya. So lastly is you will need the detergent, the last parts of the ingredient, like that. Girl. So yeah, let's open it. So So how many amount will you put here in the bowl, man? You will
same
make it
as your glue.
Okay. So you will add detergent same amount as your glue, so that it will not be wet like that, or whatever, the texture will be sticky, that it would look like a slime after this mixing stuff. So yeah, oh my god, I can see the difference already when you add the detergents in your glue and your poster paint. So it became sticky and sticky. Like that. Mix. Inanin na siya? Ano pa niya? pa dyan di ay kay gamay rush. Uy, kayo pak ang isis. Uy. Dugay pa ni siya sis. Ano pa ni siya sis? Lumayan niya, uy. She's so good at making slime because she already made tons of slime before. Unlike me, I'm just a beginner who's making this. Oh my god. I like this sis. Roll me sis. Sis. So, other than that, you may also put glitters or some other ingredients like beads so that it will look what you call this, colorful like that, or you may add some other stuffs in it. So in this video we are just showing you how to make slime only with color like that, simple slime. This is illusion. So this is already the texture of our slime like that. It's already getting sticky and sticky. Mrs. Roses. Look, nabalik siya sis. Thanks. Lola, balik siya. Ibugat kayo siya dyan. Lola.
Wala patay.
Kalalach.
Sugas sa mo mix oil.
Uday, anak na siya. So guys, after mixing it in the bowl, it will look like this. Like you may already like touch it like that. So the texture is like this already after minutes of mixing it in the bowl, like that. So you may add a little bit detergent if it may seem like, you know, it needs more, or what we call this, glue like that. So yeah, you just keep on doing like this so that the texture will be more and more like a slimy thing, right? So yes. So guys, I think that is all for today's YouTube video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification button. And please don't forget to like and comment down below your thoughts. And also please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and also on Facebook. Bye!